Kids, welcome to Kids Tank. Today, we're diving into the ocean to learn about one of the most amazing creatures in the sea, the dolphin. Are you ready to discover some cool and interesting facts? Let's go! Dolphins are very intelligent. They can solve problems, use tools, and even understand some human words. There are about 90 species of dolphins, including the well-known bottlenose dolphin. Dolphins can swim at speeds of up to 40 kilometers an hour. Dolphins sleep with one eye open and with one half of their brain awake to stay alert from predators. They breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads and often jump out of the water and play with each other. Dolphins can eat up to 13 kgs of fish a day. Dolphins make clicking sounds to communicate and navigate. They have excellent memories and can easily remember their friends and places. Wow, dolphins are truly incredible animals, aren't they? Thanks for joining us today to learn all about these amazing creatures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.
Subscribe now for more videos.